Hidden CMD commands hackers hope you never learn. The File Checksum Integrity Verifier command is a powerful tool for verifying the integrity of files, helping to ensure they haven't been tampered with. The utility tool is not included by default in Windows. Follow these simple steps to get it. Open your preferred browser. Type www.archive.org details FCIV version 205. On the download options section, click Windows executable. Open the downloaded file and install File Checksum Integrity Verifier. Accept the terms and agreement to proceed. Extract the downloaded zip file to a location for easier access. Copy the file path to be used later in setting up the process. To use File Checksum Integrity Verifier from any directory, open File Explorer. Right-click this PC. Select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Select Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find and edit the path variable. Add the directory path where File Checksum Integrity Verifier executable is located. Now we are done with the setup. Click OK to confirm the process. Let's generate a hash. Hackers often modify files to include malicious code. Comparing hashes ensures the file hasn't been altered. The original hash is usually provided by the source or developer of the file to help verify its integrity and authenticity. To obtain the original hash from the file's source or developer, for example, VLC Media Player, check the official website. Navigate to the official source. Visit the official website or download page for the file. Look for a hash or checksum section. Many websites provide a checksum or hash alongside the download link. Copy the hash. Highlight the hash value and copy it for comparison later. Open Notepad and paste it there. Name the checksum hash original hash since it is from the developer. Now to compare the known hash with the generated hash, open command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. To calculate the hash, type FCIV SHA256 and replace file with the full path or name. Navigate to the executable path of the file. Copy its path and paste it in the command. When executed, the command will display the hash of the file. Compare the output hash from File Checksum Integrity Verifier with the original hash provided by the file's source. If the hashes match, the file is authentic and hasn't been tampered with. If the hashes do not match, the file has likely been altered or corrupted. Possible reasons could be that the file has been tampered by a hacker or corrupted during download or transfer. Do not execute or use a file with a mismatch hash. It could be malicious. This process helps ensure you are using a safe, unaltered file and protects your system from potential threats.